Hello and welcome to this session on meditation. Meditation is a practice of training your attention and awareness to achieve a calm and clear state of mind. Meditation can bring many benefits for your physical, mental, and emotional well-being, such as reducing stress, improving mood, enhancing focus, and boosting immunity. However, many people are reluctant or hesitant to try meditation because of some common myths and misconceptions that surround it. These myths can prevent you from experiencing the full potential of meditation and enjoying its positive effects. Today, I will address some of these myths and misconceptions and show you how to overcome them. Myth number 1. Meditation is difficult and requires a lot of time and effort. Some people think that meditation is a complex and demanding practice that requires a lot of discipline, skill, and dedication. They think that they need to sit in a special posture, follow a strict technique, or achieve a certain goal to meditate properly. They also think that they need to meditate for a long time every day to see any results. The truth is that meditation is simple and flexible. You don't need any special equipment, clothing, or location to meditate. You can meditate anywhere, anytime, and in any way that suits you. You can choose from a variety of methods and styles of meditation, such as breathing, mindfulness, mantra, visualization, movement, or guided meditation. You can also adjust the duration and frequency of your meditation sessions according to your needs and preferences. Even a few minutes of meditation a day can make a difference in your well-being. Myth number 2. Meditation is about clearing your mind and stopping your thoughts. Some people think that meditation is about achieving a state of no thoughts or emptiness. They think that they need to silence their mind and get rid of any distractions or emotions that arise during meditation. They also think that they are failing or doing something wrong if they have thoughts or feelings while meditating. The truth is that meditation is about observing your mind and accepting your thoughts and feelings. It is impossible to stop your thoughts completely, as they are a natural part of your mental activity. The goal of meditation is not to eliminate your thoughts, but to become aware of them without judging them or getting attached to them. You simply notice what is happening in your mind and let it go with kindness and curiosity. This way, you can develop a more balanced and peaceful relationship with your thoughts and feelings. Myth number 3. Meditation is only for certain types of people or purposes. Some people think that meditation is only for religious or spiritual people who want to achieve enlightenment or transcendence. They think that meditation is incompatible with their beliefs or values, or that it has no relevance for their daily life. They also think that meditation is only for people who have certain problems or goals, such as stress relief, pain management, or personal growth. The truth is that meditation is for everyone and everything. Meditation is not tied to any specific religion or philosophy, but rather it is a universal practice that can enhance anyone's well-being regardless of their background or beliefs. Meditation can also benefit anyone's life in various ways, such as improving their health, relationships, work, creativity, happiness, and more. Meditation can help you cope with any challenge or opportunity that you face in life with more clarity, compassion, and wisdom. These are some of the common myths and misconceptions about meditation that you need to stop believing. By overcoming these myths, you can open yourself up to the wonderful world of meditation and discover its many benefits for yourself. I hope this session has inspired you to give meditation a try or to continue your practice with more confidence and joy. Thank you for listening.